Hello, this is Kasim Kulov. Welcome to 12th episode of my logo Modernism series. Today we will draw a Motorola logo designed by Morton Goldsholl in 1954. Go to Preferences and use a grid line every 64 pixels with 4 subdivisions. Align stroke to center and disable fill. View guides and enable snapping. Select your pen tool and draw a triangle with a height 2 times bigger than its width. Adjust the width by 1 grid line. Copy the triangle and place it like this. Select both triangles and apply Unite command. You can now hide the grid and disable snapping. Select Scissors tool and cut out the bottom part. Increase stroke width to 8 pixels and change its cap to projective. Outline the stroke and with a direct selection tool, round these corners to their limits. Now this step is very important. Change the rounding type to relative. So yes, this was a geometrical approach of drawing a logo that was not drawn geometrically. So again, this is just an approximation to help you understand how you can draw logos that stand the test of time. Thanks for watching. For more interesting content, do not forget to subscribe.